Good morning, Power Reading. Today is Monday, June 1st. We are reading number 61, Climate Change Affects Our Food. Climate change is another word for global warming, when the earth becomes hotter on average. Read the article, then complete the power words, vocabulary, writing, and quiz. Today we are going to read at 570. UN says climate change is affecting the cost and availability of food. This article was written in August 2019, so at the beginning of the school year. It was written in Geneva, Switzerland. When we see the name of a country or a city, it means the article was written in this place. You'll see it written here, the city and country with a line like this, and then the article begins. Climate change is badly hurting the Earth's land. Humans are hurting the land too. A new United Nations, UN, report provides proof of this. Here is our first vocabulary word.
Provides. When someone provides something, they make it available.
The report says the land is already in bad shape. That's because of global warming. Remember, global warming is another word for climate change. It also says people's use of the land is causing more problems. The problems are making it harder to get food. Food costs are going up. Cost means price. Food has also become lower in healthy nutrients.
Costs. How much something costs is how much money is needed to buy it.
The problem is becoming worse fast, said NASA's climate scientist Cynthia Rosenzweig. NASA is the U.S. space agency. Rosenzweig was a co-author of the UN report. The report was released on August 8th. Rosenzweig said climate change could reduce the people's food on the dinner table.
Reduce. If you reduce something, you make it smaller in size or number.
Land is warming twice as fast as the planet. People could delay this though. They must change what they eat. They can also change how they farm and manage forests. With changes, scientists say the Earth might not get as warm.
Delay. To delay something is to make it happen later than expected.
Earth's land is only 30% of the globe, yet the land is warming twice as fast as the planet as a whole. Carbon dioxide is a heat-trapping gas. It is created by burning fossil fuels. Oil and gas are fossil fuels. Too much carbon dioxide in the air causes pollution. The land is harmed too. This has not been talked about much. The UN Special Report was created by more than 100 scientists. It was presented at an August 8 meeting. The scientists met in Geneva, Switzerland. The report warned of serious problems. It also offered ideas to solve problems. The way we use land is both part of the problem and also part of the solution, said Valérie Masson-Delmotte. She's a French climate scientist. The report said one problem is destructive weather events. Flooding is one example. Drought is another example. Drought is a long period of low rainfall. It results in a water shortage. Weather problems can cause animals and weather problems can harm animals and crops. There's less food made. People should change what they eat. NASA's Rosenzweig said there's a danger to many crops. She said the number of crops in Europe fell in the last 2 weeks. Better farming practices can also be used to fight climate change, the report said. Farming changes could lower carbon dioxide pollution, for example. People can also change what they eat. People should eat less red meat. They should eat more fruits and vegetables. This could help lower carbon dioxide as well. Reducing food waste can fight climate change too. The report looked at food waste between 2010 and 2016. The waste resulted in 8 to 10% of the world's heat-trapping emissions. All right, we finished with our article. Let's go to our activities. Remember, we're doing the ELA, Power Words, Write, and Quiz. Do not do the science, only ELA. So our Power Words, going to answer the questions. We got 10 questions today. Writing. You are in Power Reading. How is climate change, which is a global warming, affecting our food sources? Use 3 details from the text. Then explain 3 things that people can do to fight climate change. Write in your own words. If you have any questions, send me a message on Remind. Oh, when you are finished, remember to do the quiz. Here you have 4 questions.